Hello friends, in this series I am going to start a new lectures from Civil 3D from beginner to advanced level, and in this series we will learn about the Civil 3D, pipe network, pressure networks, road and highway, and beside these tips and tricks about the Civil 3D. So I would like to tell you that we will not spend much times to learn about that. Only we will take a short span of time to learn these things. So this is the application menu. This is the quick access toolbar. So first I would like to tell you about the application menu. If you click on it, you find out the some options: new, open, save as, export, publish and print. You can take your new files, you can open your working drawings, you can save your files, and you can save your files in other names. Exports, you can export your file in other format. If you click or if you put your mouse on these triangles, you can find out the some options of the other format: IFC, PDF, DXF, and the export civil drawing, and you can take out your print. And the second option is the quick access toolbar. These are the same options which are findings, those are finding in the application menu. So new, open, save and print, undo, and second one is the redo, and the third one is the workspace. If you click on it, you find out the Civil 3D, drafting, annotation, 3D modeling, planning analysis, and save current as and workspace settings. If you click on the workspace settings, so you will find out like this. If you want to work only Civil 3D, you can uncheck this, and you want to work only drafting annotations, you can uncheck the besides options. Okay, so if you click on this and you want to work on AutoCAD and normal AutoCAD, so you can put it and you can click on the drafting annotations. That means your workspace station is converting into AutoCAD. So you will find out the same options, whatever those options are included in the AutoCAD. So I convert it into Civil 3D because we are working on Civil 3D and we are learning about the Civil 3D. Okay, and the third one is, if you click on this, so you can see some options are checked and some options are unchecked. So those options are checked here. You can see new and the opens and save and the plot and redo and the workspace. And beside this, if you show menu bar, so you can see the extra lines here. I click on the show menu bar, so you will find out the menu bar here. So we go to the next. So here is the ribbon, and there are so many tabs in this: first, second, and the third, and there are so many on. So if you see this tab has a panels, and its panel there are so many tools, you can see it. If you click on this, you can find out the all options about the points, and the surfaces. You can make surfaces, traverse, and the tool space. And the second one is the parcel, feature, line, alignment, profile, corridors, assemblies, and pipe networks. There are so many things you can find here. And if you click on the tool space, and the tool space is disappeared from here, and you click once again on the tool space, you will find out the tool space. And I would like to tell you that the tool space is the very important part of the Civil 3D, because you can handle a lot of things from here. If you see the prospectus, settings, survey, and toolbox, and the prospectus, you can see the drawing, point, surface, alignment, and there are so many things we will learn about that. If you go to the settings, you can settings of the drawings and the other parts of the drawings. So move forward, and you can see the plus icon. If you want to take a new file, so you can click on the plus icons, so you will find out the new space for your drawings. But I would like to suggest you that go to here and click on the new. That times you will find out the some options. If you want to take and if you want to work in matrix, that means you have to choose that. And if you want to work in feet and inches, that means you have to choose the imperial. So if you click on this plus icon, that times you will not find out the imperial or metric. It may be differs. Okay, so we have to choose like this. And here you can see the viewport controls. You can viewport control. This is the workspace stations, and you want to divide it vertical and horizontally skin. That times you have to go to this, and you can change the two verticals, so your screen will divide it into parts. So I go to the single space, and the second one is the view. Control your views. If you click on this top bottoms, if you want to see your drawings like top, bottom, left, right, front, and isometric, southeast and southwest, like that, perspective and parallel. And beside this is the visual styles. You can change your visual styles, but these options will be used in the 3D. And here is the view cube, and this is the navigation toolbar. Here is the pan, zoom and orbit tools, and this is the command line. If you type any command here, like that, if you type line, so you will find out the some options come out while you type here. And this is the cursor, and this is the cursor, and this is the crosshair. Okay, and this is the user UCS, means user coordinate system. This is user coordinate system, x and y directions, and this is all the workspace distance, and you have to work on it. And this is the status bar, and this is the customization toolbar. If you want to active or deactivate, you can check or uncheck these options like this. If you click on the grid, you will find out the grid will be disappear here, grid, and you click on the grid here. So this is the layout mode, model and layout mode. If you change your model into layout, you can click on the models and layouts, and you work as you wish on your workspace. So this is very short. This is the very short videos, and I think it will be useful for you. Thank you so much.